ปะแปนดึงสกอยเว้ย
Get it.
Come here.
Oh my God. Two black guys who are having a hard time.
Gary! Basta cosa devo dire?
You seen Benny's new eyebrows? They're horrible. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Hey!
Nestle Crunch. Okay.
You okay?
Ya, vení. Gordo.
Get back!
Hey!
Oh. Hey!
It's your baby.
Hey, what you doing here, buddy? Your owner's probably looking for you. Whoa. Hands. Let me see your hands. Stop resisting.
This what you want? Shut that shit up. Get it.
You're making all this noise. Oh shit! Oh.
There it is.
Ê!
ขอจับหน่อยได้ไหม
2 tuổi.
Why did I bring her to work with me today?
Oh, what's that? A stimmy pass.
Good girl. Well done. You love your puppy. Yeah.
Here we go. Yeet!
Keep it up.
Where are you going? What the f?
I'm not doing it, baby. Nothing's happened.
Go ahead.
You sit, you clap, and you clap, and you clap, clap. Не надо. Lena. Alright, wait. Okay. You take it! Hey! Are you kidding me? You wanna go outside?
After church. I kind of did already a little bit there. Oh,
Cause
oh, that's how. That ass little boy. I swear to God, what the fuck are you doing? Wait, no!
Oi, Estelinha, magoou, foi.
When you buy a kitten and can't find her.
Ooh, we did fall.
Kona. Oh shit.
Kona! Oh my god.
He's a real Mexican.
I love you so much, Mila.
Chucky, no! No! Chucky, please, no! No, Chucky! Help me!
don't even talk to me.
I tried to bribe him, but this cat knew what was coming and he was prepared for war.
Good cat.
He has a precisely calculated battle method. Pretend to be calm and laid back, and then take me by surprise. His name is Riesling, and he's a 2-year-old British Longhair. What is it with the British cats and their attitude? Riesling is covered in mats, which is the reason why he's here today.
Don't hiss at me.
Even though he doesn't like this, it's necessary to get done for his comfort and his health. Still, his facial expressions suggest that he would like to turn my face into his scratch post.
I'm making you feel better. It's okay. There. It's all out.
He had some extremely bad matting behind his ears, and I was genuinely concerned that I was not going to be able to get it out. But despite his looks of death, he actually was very good for this, and I was able to relieve him from his pain. I learned pretty quickly that he's okay with anything in his front end being touched. He is just not okay with his back end being touched. And I guess I can't say I blame him.
Good cat. But I have to scrub your dirty behind.
It wasn't long before Pippi Longstocking decided to get his vengeance.
Please don't swat. I made a run for it.
Riesling was smart enough not to let me know his next move. For obvious reasons, we blow-dried him in the rage cage.
Okay, relax. You're okay. Are you peeing? Oh. What just fell on my shoe?
Poop.
Since I removed all of his matting and got him clean, I decided to end the grooming session today, because Riesling was clearly very stressed out. Now if you'll excuse me, I need a glass of wine.
Man, you on the playground? No!
Ouais, t'es prêt, petit gars?
Woohoo! 2-week-old, Oh my god! Oh. There was a flying Jack Russell.
Jumped over these double baked shoes.
Hey! What the fuck are you doing?
The king.
You are so cute, it makes me angry!
Well, good morning.
nota chegou no seu nome e...
Oh.
Oh, gentle, good boy. Oh!
Somebody once told me the word.
Give me your butt. Give me your butt.
Di que eu não eu.
Vậy bạn ơi.
Hey, what are you doing?
Đồ vô cùng. Hưng đã vô cử.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man!